Okay, my dear students, welcome to my English grammar class. I hope you are very fine during Corona virus. By the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay, I am Abdul Motin Mia, Assistant English Teacher, Jadavpur Government Girls High School. Today, we are going to discuss English grammar topic. So you can listen to me. When we speak to somebody between two persons, that means one is speaker and other is listener. Okay, so you can say, now let's give example. Okay, so Lipi said, I am fine. Okay, then Lipi said that she was fine. Okay, so you can say this is said by directly and this is said by indirectly. So can you say what's our lesson? What's our lesson topic? Of course, we can say our lesson's topic is narration or speech. Okay. So we can say, what is the narration or speech? We can say, when something is narrated directly or indirectly is called narration or speech. Okay, it is mentioned that this is the verb narrate verb form, and this narration, it comes from narration, and this is the noun. Okay, so it comes from narrate, that means describe. Okay, and it is narration. We can say in Bangla, ukti. Okay, so again we can say, where something is narrated directly or indirectly is called narration or speech. Okay, suppose, and this is one kind of narration and this is another kind of narration. So of course there are two kinds of narration or speech. Okay, two kinds of narration or speech. So this direct and indirect speech, direct and indirect speech. Okay, so what is direct speech? Can you say? Direct speech, when something is narrated directly, is called direct speech. Okay, suppose it is direct speech. Lipi said, I am fine. It is narrated directly, so it is called direct speech. And then Lipi said that she was fine. It is narrated indirectly, so it's called define narration, or you have to classify narration, or you have to change narration. Okay, dear my students,
we know that there are two kinds of narration or speech, direct speech and indirect speech. So, some parts of the direct speech look at. Okay, notice that Dulna said to me, I am well. So, Dulna, this is the speaker, and said to me, reporting verb. It is the reporting verb, said to me, or said, or said to me, said to. Okay. And next, me. This is the object of this verb, but it is called listener. Okay. Listener. And inverted comma, that is included of the inverted comma. It is called reported speech. That means speaker reports that something. Okay, that is called reported speech. It is bounded inverted comma. Okay, so we know that some parts and change into direct or indirect. It can be used. Okay, so indirect form. Now Dulna told me that, because this is an assertive sentence. Okay, kinds of sentence according to the sentences we can use or we can change into direct, from direct and indirect narration. Okay, so it is an assertive sentence, so we can use, instead of reporting verb and after with object, then so Dulna told me or said to. Told me or said to me that inverted comma, instead of inverted comma, we can use that. Okay. And if it is an assertive sentence, then we can use that. Okay. Okay, dear students. Now, how to change? This is the subject of the reported speech. If the subject is the first person, so it can be changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. Okay, so Dulna becomes she, or I becomes she. This is the first person, and then it becomes she. Okay, and next am. If the present tense, that is am is are, and reporting verb, if the reporting verb is the past tense, so it can be changed into past tense. So was, am is are become was, were. Okay, dear my students. Now next, I already finished only first person. If the first person, then you can read Ruby said to Shima, you can do this. It is mentioned that this is the second person of the reported speech. Okay, so we can change Ruby said to or told Shima that, inverted comma that, and this is the second person, so it can into change according to the reporting verb of the object. Okay, object of the reporting verb. Okay, so Shima becomes she, and Ruby and Shima, so both the female persons, so we can use she in bracket s, definitely. Okay, and this is the present tense, present indicating future tense, so can becomes could, because reporting verb is the past tense. Okay, and then this already changed into that. This is the change of the word. Okay, so change of the persons, change of the tenses, and change of the words. You have to remember. Okay, to do narration. So next rule, number 3, Kona said to Parul, he must buy this. It is mentioned that he or she or any kind of third person. Okay, so Kona said to Parul, he must buy this. Indirect form, Kona told Parul, and that, and next he, that means no change, because it is the third person of the reported speech. Subject is the third person. Okay, reported speech, subject is the third person. No change in the indirect form. Okay, and another mention that it has must. So instead of must, and if the reporting verb is the past tense, and then we can use had to. Okay, instead of must, had to, or must can be used, and present form by, and again change this, that. This is the changing of the word. Okay, so first person, second person, and third person, and past tense. Okay, and the words, all things are changed into the rules. Okay, now next another rules. Number 4, he says the sun rises in the east. Can you say what is this? What do you mean by this? It means the universal truth. Okay, so if the statement universal truth, especially reported speech, and then it is not changed. Okay, no changed. So we can say he says that the sun rises in the east. Okay, it is very simple, and of course you have understood well. Number 5, another rules, and it is very important for any kind of classes. Okay, Isha said to me, I played well. Said to me, this is the past tense and this is the past tense. So both the past tense, reporting verb and reported speech are both past tense, and then Isha told me that, and after subject first person, so it becomes Isha, she, following Isha. Okay, so had played well, past perfect, it will be past perfect because reporting verb and the reported speech, both are the past tense. Okay. So, reported speech in the direct form, reported speech, it will be past perfect tense. And it is very important for you because many students have done wrong and cannot remember this. Okay, after discussion, let's write down on your khata as my homework. You can do this easily, following the chart and following the words list and the rules.